Want to simplify first, so distribute, combine like terms. Isolate, we want to make sure our variables are on the same side. And solve. PEMDAS backwards, so SADMET. So let's draw that balancing line down the middle. Do you guys see distribution? Yes. So what we were doing is we were multiplying a half to 4x. You could think of it as what is half of 4x, guys? 2x. And what is half of negative 6? Right. That's equal to 2x. You might notice something right now, but we could keep solving it. So we do, let's subtract from the left-hand side because we don't want to take away from the right because there'd be nothing left. So if I subtract 2x, why am I subtracting? It's positive. So we do the opposite. So that'll go to 0, and that'll go to 0. We have to write something on the right-hand side because 2x minus 2x is 0. We're going to say negative 3 is equal to 0. Is negative 3 equal to 0? No, this is false. So what we do is we put a slash through the equal sign because it's saying negative 3 is not equal to 0. That's not true. Do you guys remember what we say? Yeah, no solutions. Because this equation can't be solved. There's no value for x that will make it true because you have 2x and 2x, but on this side on the left it's 2x minus 3. So they're almost the same, but that minus 3 messes it up. So if you see the variables are the same, but the constants are different, that's going to make it no solution. But you can continue to solve it and you get no solution, basically. So we're going to look. Do we see distribution?
Yes.
You bet. So let's distribute on the right. Negative 2 times 2.
Negative 4.
And negative 2 times negative 5m. Positive 10m. Let's bring down what's on the left-hand side. 10m minus 4. What do you guys notice right now by looking at it?
They're both the same.
They are. It's exactly the same on the left and the right. And so we're going to go ahead and keep solving. So just in case you didn't notice that, we'll keep going. So we're going to isolate. So I'm going to subtract 10m because it's positive. So that zeroes out on both sides. And Emily, what do I have left?
Negative 4, negative 4.
Guys, is negative 4 equal to negative 4?
Yes.
Yes, that's true. So if you end up with something that's true, we say you've got a few options. You could say infinite solutions. You could say identity. It's basically saying the sides are the same. Or you could say all real numbers. These are all saying the same thing, which is that any value you put in this equation will make it work because the left side is exactly the same as the right side. I could use 2, I could use 5, I could use 196, and all those values for m are going to make the sides equal. So last thing, all real numbers, the symbol for that is this double line R. If you use that, I'll count it. So I want you to work with your partner. If you don't have a partner, you can turn around or turn in front of you. I need you to write an expression for company A, and I need you to write an expression for company B. An expression is something that does not have an equal sign. If you want to make an equation, you could say it's equal to the total cost or something, but go ahead and write 2 expressions for this. Go. Carson with a C, could you please tell me what happens once in company A?
The 16.
Right. And Carson with a K, what happens over and over?
The 42.95.
Okay. So likewise, Justin, for company B, what happens once?
25.
Okay, that fee. And so the $49.95 will happen every single time or every month. Because notice it says per, that's an every word, and multiplication word. $49.95 happens every single time. So my expression Kieran, what do you have for company A?
For company A, I have 60 plus 42.95x.
Okay. What does the x stand for? We didn't define our variables yet. So what did you make x stand for, Kieran?
Price per month.
Okay. I actually disagree. If we want, so we'll use x for this one. Let x be equal to, what does the variable stand for? Someone raise your hand. Manola, what's it stand for? The number of months, because you're paying $42.95 times every month. Let x stand for the number of months. It's not price per month because you already know the price per month. Remember, variables always stand for something we do not know.
So 25 plus 49.5
Oh, okay.
times 5x.
So here are two expressions. It says write and solve an equation to find the month when you should pay the same. What's same mean in math? Equal to. And so we are going to set these two expressions equal to one another. 60 plus 42.95x. If you put m, that's also fine, is equal to 25 plus 49.95x. We want to know how long will it take for them to be the same. So you need to solve that equation and find out what x is going to be for your number of months. How many months is it going to take?
It's in the homework.